Hello guys, my name is Vlad-Radu Vasilescu and today I'm going to present you my final 15112 project, which is an OS simulator. It's like a fake OS. I named it Blinds. It's an OS emulator, it's not an actual OS. It's built using tkinter library and Python 2. It handles a few basic applications of an operating system, such as Paint, text editor, calculator, and also a Pong game. But let's jump straight into the program. So when we execute a program, an interface like this will be popped up, which is a TK window. An active secondly update a clock, which is updated every second, will be here. This is just a cursor. Every widget has a specific cursor, as you will see during the program. Let's check the start menu. We have the Paint application, Word editor, Pong and calculator, the shutdown, which will close the window, and also the chill button, which we'll see in a second what happens if we press it. Let's go for the calculator application. It's a very simple calculator. It's very scientific, but it's very powerful. The main idea in this program is that it has a custom framework, which is tailored on every widget of the 4 I implemented. So instead of using a TK window, it's a frame which is integrated within the main TK window. As you can see, it cannot go out the TK window. It will only go it will only stay inside its border, right? It also has like a close button and a minimize button, which are you sure you want to use this button? Yeah. Let's see what happens if we do some basic arithmetic calculations. So if it's an error of input, it will say that's an error, right? But when we have 99 times 3, it will give the right answer. It can delete one character or all characters. It has also mod, plus, minus, etc. Let's get to the word editor. So the word editor can copy and paste, or cut and paste, can select the color of the writing, right, using this pop-up which is imported from TK color chooser. You can select any color with RGB and other customizable options. It can also save as text txt file, which, let's say it's meow by default, but let's say meow. Okay, meow already exists. Let's replace it. Let's clean up the file and open meow again. Okay, so as you can see, it opens the exact same thing. Let's get to the canvas application, which is a very basic paint application. Pencil, eraser, line, rectangle, oval, also different colors here as well, and it can save as princess, let's say. Let's clean up so we can see if it opens. Princess. Okay, and it opens the same exact thing, which can also be later edited, so on and so forth. The trick here is, how did I end up saving and opening this file? Well, it's because I couldn't use any type of image, but I used a technique which allowed me to save every move I made in the canvas into a list, to append it to a list, and that list, by using the pickle library, to be dumped in a file, which is saving file. And also when it's being opened, it takes the data from that file to the move list, right? So this is how I managed to implement the save and open feature in the canvas. Last but not least, the pong. But before, let's check out what's going on with the chill button. Okay, there's a little bit of a soundtrack. Let's see the pong. It can be started with backspace, and it can be controlled by the right hand or the player 2 with up and down, and by player 1 with W and S. And yes, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed.